Hi, my name's Elijah CJ, and this is my Anchor 308 end semester project presentation. Um, Today I'm gonna present about specifically installation of malware pies and C cleaner. The reason why I chose this topic is due to the fact that cyber attacks have been increasing over and over. Cyber attacks started way back in 1988 when US computer systems were compromised by what became known as a Morris worm. These attacks happens in form of either compromising your personal or government or institutional system with the aim of stealing information or gaining access to unauthorized information. Due to the increase of internet access or the world is moving towards electronic systems, our personal information like credit card information are all over the place, either in banks or when doing purchases online. So the main issue is our information secure, or is our data secure? Most of the users we usually receive links from family, from friends, or while we are online, we click on different links without knowing whether the links we click are secure or not. So today I'm gonna go over some of the measures we can use to protect ourselves and personal information from getting to unauthorized users or from getting to malicious users. So first, how can we know that the links we are sent or the links we access are secure? We will know that the links are secured by looking at the HTTP header. Each HTTPS means that the link is secured or encrypted through a secure shell. So that means we are a little bit safer on the HTTPS link. But the HTTP is not that secure, and we risk losing our personal information to malicious users. So let's go into specifically how we can get rid of malwares that might have hidden under our computer systems. So I did a web search and I found this amazing software that called Malwarebytes that helps to remove malwares on your systems. Malwares or malware is a software designed to damage or disable computers or computer systems. So let's have a look at how we can install and use these Malwarebytes to scan and remove malwares. So Malwarebytes can be found online, and it's an open source software. So go to your favorite browser. So I'm using Google. On your favorite browser, go to www.malwarebytes.com. So this software comes in different forms. There's for business and for regular home users. So and then you have the free download, and you have options for more advanced malware packs, and you gotta pay some few dollars for it. So for this instance, we're going to go to the free download. So on your right hand top corner, you have a link for the free download. So when you click on that link, it automatically downloads malware bytes based on what type of operating systems is running on your computer. So as we noted, malware bytes comes in different fashions depending on the type of machine you're using. So we have options for Mac operating systems. We have options for your Android. It can come for business or regular home user. Yeah, it comes in different forms. So as we wait for our download to complete, I think it's almost complete. So we've already downloaded. So you click on that link to set up the malware packs. So you click on yes. When the pop-up window comes in, click on yes. And then we choose our language, that's English or whichever language you like. Click OK. And then you choose the type of machine you have. Is it personal or is it work or work computer? So for this instance, I'll be choosing personal and click continue. And then you have to agree on terms of service or license. It is quite important to read on the license and read the options, and you agree and install. So let's wait for installation. Few minutes and we got it installed. Yeah, it's almost getting installed. So now installation is complete. You click on finish. And after you finish, you can go to the folder where you installed your malware packs and open it. So right here I do have my version. So after opening it, you have options. You have dashboard, you have scan, you have quarantine, you have reports, you have settings. So here in settings, you have the application. You can choose what scan if you don't want your files. If you want to close to have it notify you just in case you have an malicious link that comes. If you want to update, to click on updates. You choose the type of protections you want. There's premium. You can also schedule your, if you want to scan on different times, you can put on schedule. If you want to exclude some files on scanning, you can choose the option. Account details, if you want to make payment or if you want to update to upgrade to a better version, that's where you update. If you want to read about the software, that's the link to read. So, but we're specifically interested in doing a computer scan. So we have thread scan. That's do a comprehensive scan on your computer, memory, startup, registry, and file objects. That's recommended for doing it daily. And then we have custom scan, and then we have hyperscan. On hyperscan is available for premium users only, the users that pay a little bit amount. So we're gonna do a thread scan. So you click on start scan, and that will start scanning your computer. So it first check for updates. Then it goes on pre-scan operation, and then it scans your memory of the computer, and then it go to the file, scan your files, and then scan your registry to check if there's some hidden viruses or hidden malwares, and then it scan all your file systems, and then it does scan all your computer. So it's gonna take a while because I have a lot of files in my PC. So after it finish scanning, you have the analysis here, you have the time lapse, you have the number of threads found. So after you finish, it gives you options to restrict the links or the malwares found on your computer from entering your systems. One more, and the cool thing about Malwarebyte is that you can schedule it to run daily or weekly, whichever way you like. So as we wait for it to finish scanning, there is also another open source handy software that we can use to scan our registry and repair corrupted files. And this one is software is called a C Cleaner. C Cleaner, I think it's short for computer cleaner. So it's fasten the PC by removing all unwanted files and cleaning the registry. The C Cleaner installation is very explicit and instructions are simpler. So it's found in www.ccleaner.com. So let's have a look at that link. So so you go to C Cleaner, and then it gives you it's software from Puriform, and it's written in C++ actually. So C Cleaner, you have the free download. It's an open source tool, and you have the free download or you have the advanced version, but you have to pay for it. So if you go to the free download, it gives you the options. So you have the professional version, which you can buy at $19.95, but we're gonna go with the free download. If you click on the free download, you can see the options it provides. You see the professional version is more handy, and it costs only $39.95. So that includes file recovery, updates, scan your hard drive, and all those stuff. So you can choose the version you want. So as we can see, Malwarebyte is still scanning, but we can see the number of threads identified. So after it finishes, it gives you options to quarantine. I hope this video